Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how to create your own song using Sound Auto AI. It's completely free and unlimited. First, just open your browser and search for Sound Auto, and then just click the official page link, and then just sign up for a free account. Just log in with your Google. And then in the prompt box, just type what you want your song to be about. Just describe the genres such as pop, rock, EDM, or lo-fi. And then just describe the theme. For example, love, dreams, motivations, or friendship. You can also use ChatGPT to help you craft a better prompt. And when you're done, just click generate. And see, this AI will give you two results at once like this. Let's try to play the song. Side by side, we rise together. Never let the world pull us apart. Every laughing and every promise, you're my light in every part. Like this, it's usually about 1 minute long, like this. And if you want to make it longer, just click on edit and then extend. And on the sidebar, this sidebar, and then whether to extend the beginning, the end, before or after, like this. Just choose one and then just generate. Like this. With the new generations, the durations become 2 minutes like this. Let's play the music. All our dreams held in side by side, we shining on. Miles may change, but we storms in every season. Like this. And you can also make the video from these songs. It's lyrics video. And see, it will become like this. Side by side, we rise together. A video with a lyrics like this. And if you want to download it, just click on download video. And besides generate a music with simple prompt, you can also make a music with a advanced prompt. Just click on advanced and then just type your styles. Choose a style from the available text, and then you can click view all text to explore them. And you can either write your own lyrics or just simply describe what the lyrics should be about, and then just click generate. And your song will be generated like before. And okay, maybe that's it. Your own AI generated song with Sound Auto AI, quick and easy. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.